Welcome to Propel. I'm Lily, and in today's video, we'll dive into some essential tips and tricks for using Propel's AI-powered media database to find the perfect journalists for your pitch. Propel's AI-powered journalist media database helps PR professionals find the most relevant contacts faster and with greater precision. Instead of old text-based matching like the legacy databases use, we are using advanced AI algorithms to analyze hundreds of thousands of journalists to recommend the most relevant contacts based on their past articles and pitching preferences. Whether you're looking for verified contacts, specific topics, or building media lists, I'll walk you through how to make the most of Propel's all-new AI-powered media database. To begin, head over to the Discover tab in Propel. This is where you'll access the media database and start searching for the right journalists and outlets for your campaign. By default, the Only Show Verified Contacts option is enabled. This feature ensures that you're only seeing journalists with fully verified details. If you want to expand your search and see all available contacts, you can simply disable this option. One of the standout features of the new database is the Topic Prompt tool, which uses advanced AI to analyze your input and match it to the most suitable journalists. Whether you're typing in your keywords, your topics, or pasting in a pitch, Topic Prompt will cross-reference journalist profiles, their articles, and areas of focus to give you the most accurate results. Propel's algorithm analyzes journalists' past articles to suggest the best contacts based on what they're actively writing about. Keep in mind that the topic prompt will return the top 200 most relevant journalists for your query, so you're always getting the best options. No more spray and pray, just highly targeted media lists. However, if you'd like to take a more conventional approach, you can simply switch from AI-powered results to keyword results to show only journalists who have written about the exact keywords you entered in topic prompt. To further refine your results, you can use the Exclude Topic Keywords field. This is useful when you want to avoid certain topics. For example, if you're searching for journalists covering the Super Bowl but want to exclude anything related to restaurants, you can exclude restaurants as a keyword. If you already know the journalist or outlet you want to pitch to, you can use the name and/or outlet name search, or you can even look for journalists by their email address. This allows you to directly find specific journalists or target media outlets, even if you don't have their contact information yet. Remember to keep the exact match box checked if you only want to see results for the exact name, outlet, or email address that you entered. To narrow down your search further, Propel offers several filters, such as journalist classification, reach, job title, location, and media type. These filters help you focus your results on the most relevant contacts based on your campaign's specific needs. Once you've identified the right journalists, you can easily add them to a media list by checking them off and clicking Add to Media List. You can even create a new media list on the fly to keep things organized. With these tips, you can take full advantage of Propel's AI-powered media database and find the best journalists covering even the most niche pitch topics, like potato yield, with AI-driven precision in no time. For more tutorials and tips, check out our other videos or reach out to support if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next campaign!